Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name's Sophie, and we'll do a session on getting started with teaching literacy. We'll talk about who literacy learners can be, what challenges they may face on a daily basis, and what the challenges are at our end as educators when we're teaching literacy. We'll also talk about how we can simplify the way we speak when dealing with low-level learners, whether that's in the literacy classroom or if you're teaching very low-level beginner classes. We'll talk about what's involved in learning to read, what's involved in learning to write, and we'll talk about some classroom activities that we can use to help our learners develop their literacy skills with reading and writing. I really hope you can join us.